Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the candle colors in Tradingview. This is a straightforward process, and by the end of it, you'll be able to set up your chart exactly how you like it, enhancing both functionality and the aesthetic appeal. So let's jump right in. First, you need to open the charts in Super Charts. There will be a starting point for any customization you want to apply. Once your chart is on your screen, turn your attention to the top right corner. There you will see a setting icon. Clicking on this will open up a whole array of options for you to delve into, giving you not just the control over candle colors, but a variety of other features too. But for today, we are keeping it simple and focusing on how to change those candle colors. In setting window that appears, navigate to the left side where you'll find several tabs. What you want here is a symbol tab. Selecting this tab opens up the specific settings that are dedicated to your chart symbols, such as the colors and the styles of your candles, which is where we aim to make our change today. Now that you have the symbol tab open, you will see options for customizing the appearance of your candles. You have the freedom to change different aspects of the candles, including the body color of itself, the border of the candle, even the color of the wicks. The setting gives a great flexibility to craft a visual presentation that best serves your trading analysis or simply enhances the visual appeal of your chart. Let's go through an example together. Suppose you want to change the color of the candle body. Click on the body option and a color palette should pop up, offering you a numerous range of colors to choose from. Select a color that fits your preference. As soon as you make your selection, you will notice your chart updates instantly with this change. This immediate feedback can really help you to decide if the new color is the right fit. Similarly, you can do the same for both candles border and the wicks. Just click on the respective option, select your color, and watch as your chart um, shows a transformation right before your eyes, and there you have it. You now know how to change the candle colors in TradingView. A few clicks really make a world of difference in how you view your data. So if this video helped and you enjoyed the content, please make sure to click that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy TradingView tutorials like this one. Have a great day and happy charting. Thank you.